I am so not made for this weather, man. Come on. Why? And that's also the reason why I didn't upload, because I can't work like this in the cold. Well, let's continue to the video. Guys, welcome back to the channel, to another video. If you are new here, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe button, guys. Come on, help me out. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that is still not working, is either damaged or not original on this car. We are done for about 70%, and I want to do the last things in the interior. So let's dive right into it. Come on. So interior wise, we're gonna replace the radio. Off camera, I installed this one because I didn't like the way I fixed the radio in the earlier videos. It was too bright, too much gloss. It was a bit in your face, which I don't like. I want to restore this car. I want to do it properly, so we're going to replace this one for a brand new one. Even though, yeah, this one looks fine. I did a good job on this one, to be honest. Still looks good, but I want it to be original, which is a matte, more like a matte gray version. So, we're gonna replace the radio, as I said, for an original gray one that belongs to the car. I will show a picture right now. We're gonna replace the gear shifter knob. This one originally belongs to a diesel version. We need to fix the headliner. It's hanging loose. I found a new one in Poland, so I hope he wants to ship it to me. We need to fix the door panels. The fabric is coming loose. Same on the back door cards. The armrest is not closing anymore. The footrest is loose. The passenger seat is making a funny noise. The wipers, I showed it earlier, but only one is working. Great, now it stopped completely. Luckily I'm almost home, so let's replace it. So it started to rain, the car is still wet, and the wiper arms stopped working. Can't even move it. So we're gonna replace the part that controls the wiper arms. Let's go. So 1 year later, the car still looks good. The engine bay is absolutely clean. Can't find any problems. Yeah, besides this, we need to. Those are little minor details that we need to fix, but that's not a big issue. It's still dry, which is amazing. Absolutely no leakages. Everything still looks, yeah, pretty good. After 1 year, can't complain. So to get to the device that controls the wiper arms, we need to remove the paravan. So yeah, there's already one missing here, or I didn't place one. We need to remove this one and that one in the corner. We need to remove a bolt over here and a bolt over there. Then we can remove the paravan and also remove the wiper arms. And we can replace it for a second-hand one. Let's go. Get loose. Same on this side. So they come off pretty easy. You just push them down a little. That's it. Nothing special. Wiper arms are removed. Now we're gonna remove the paravan, but We start with the rubber that holds it in place. And now the unit can come off. It's out. This is the module that I was talking about. And I already see the problem. It came loose. There's not much really what you can do about it. I bought a second-hand one. I'm gonna replace it. I'm gonna see if that was the fix. Let's go. So I put them side by side, just to compare them. This is the broken one. This is the second-hand one. I think I'm just gonna try to fix this and keep it as a spare part, or maybe I'll buy a new one and keep it as a spare part. I don't know. But for the time being, we're gonna use this one. This one is broken. Just comes right out. Maybe it's just a rubber. This one has a rubber on it, and I can't lift it, so yeah, this one's pretty strong. This one just comes loose pretty easy. So. Not a shame after 18 years, but yeah, when it's raining and the wipers stop, yeah, that's not a nice problem to have. Anyways, we can fix it. That's the main part, and it only costed me 30 euros. So the replacement part is working as it should be. It makes a little grinding noise here, but it's a replacement part. I don't care. 30 euros, I can't complain. Maybe I'll get a new one anyway, so it's fixed. So let's see if we did a good repair. Contact. They are working again. They are spraying all over the car, but yeah, that's fine. It's working! Even my daughter approves. So I'm gonna put you in a time lapse. I'm gonna replace the headliner. I'm not gonna bother you with all the screws, etc. And then you will see the end result in a few minutes. Let's go. So I removed everything from the headliner, all the lights, all the handles, etc. Now it just lays on this side here and on some rubbers, and then it will come out. So let's go. So on the left side you see the old headliner, on the right hand side you will see the brand new one. Brand new, guys. Seriously, very hard to find, but I found one in Poland and they shipped it to me, so I'm very happy. Before we are going to install the new headliner, I wanted to show you the difference. This is the old one, look at the color. And now we're going to switch to the new one. Yeah, a little bit of difference, so no, it looks massive, guys. Come on, very happy with this. It's hard to record in such a tiny car, but I got the headliner in, and it's looking much better, guys. So as you know, this was before and this is after. And by the way, if you are new to the channel, guys, come on, I'm doing this, well, Well, it's very cold outside, guys. Come on, give me a subscribe, give me a thumbs up, help me and the channel grow. Come on, man, let's go. To remove the radio, I bought a piece from Amazon. Just a universal radio removal tool. Just stick it right in. Put this one down. The other one. Like that. And hopefully, yes. It comes out. So let's replace this one, the radio, and both air vents. And then I'll see you in a bit. It's not broken, just all the plastic parts like this, they just clip in like this, so nothing is broken. But it's not the professional way to remove this panel, but I got a new one, so it's okay. So this is the new radio that belongs originally to the car. Let's remove the cover. Yeah, come on. So this is it. This one originally belongs to the Schumacher version. I bought it brand new from Hungary, but we still have a problem. This part here is for the original navigation radio. So this radio does not fit in here. Let me show you. Original radio is bigger, so I have to find this part, but that also means I have to remove this panel also, and that's not that easy. So anyways, I'm gonna install the air vent here and then we call it a day. Yeah, why is it getting dark? The video quality isn't getting any better at dark, so let's replace the air vents, which I also have. And this is the original air vent. And this is the reason why I replaced this. Dark gray, and this is more like silver metallic. But this is original, so we go for this one. I'm gonna install it and I'll see you in a bit. So the new part is in. I hope you can see it on camera, but I only installed this one new. This is still the shiny one, but yeah, it's dark outside, so I have to wait for another 3 days, and then I'm gonna replace the radio, that vent, and yeah, happy. So guys, the headliner is in. It's getting dark outside, but I want to thank you for watching, and if you like the content, please like, subscribe, it helps me out a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Well, that's not doing much anymore. Those are the original Bose speakers, but after almost 20 years, you know, it's gone. So let's replace them.